All right, so just looking at this right now, I'm a little mad because I was waiting for this fair value gap. I've been waiting for it for like, God, it has to be like almost 2 weeks. I've been waiting for it to get down here, and then we finally did. We bounced, and then we came back down and retested it, and then look at this bounce. This is, geez, I got 140 points that we're up right now from this fair value gap. Man, if I could have taken that, woo, would have been a really great trade. But easy come, easy go. Uh, the good thing is we're seeing the markets here. That's really important to me. So I would say that if we come back down and test this the third time, we're probably going to push down through it. So I'm just going to get rid of it. Don't want to risk getting on the wrong side of the trade. But we're seeing the markets good, Do enjoy that. So previous day high, man, that was a real red day. Real red day yesterday. Previous day low, or put that all the way down here. So we got a pretty big range. Just going from yesterday's range. Broken this trend line officially. I think we're going to have to come back up and retest it if we're going to push down further. We do have this kind of more overall trend line. This was kind of a temporary one I was looking at. We do have a more overall trend line that we probably need to come down and test to collect more buyers. So I'm kind of in short mode right now, unless we're able to break back through this high and get this break of structure. I'm thinking that we head down for, maybe next week, and then we come down and test this area, maybe push a little bit through it down to this previous low here, and then push further up, and then break this high. So the next one would be 21,000, 22,000, moving all the way up here. But we need that break of structure first above this all-time high. I do think we need to come down here and collect some more buyers because this volume is looking weak and this volume is looking real strong down here, especially with this volume point of control right at this low here. And then we have this low as well. So I'm actually going to adjust that. I don't really want to take this trade if there's a volume point of control here. And it looks like there's a ton of volume. So, we get some kind of bounce there. Looking down at the hourly. We're right up at the 30 EMA. We've crossed the VWAP on the hourly. So we're looking bullish. We need to get above this and come down and retest it. So we'll move the pre-market low to, where is our pre-market low? Oops. Right around here. Yeah. So right around there is our pre-market low. Pre-market high is going to be right around there. We're coming back up and testing what we've already tested in the overnight session. And then we weren't able to get above it. So if we are able to get above it, I would say we're starting to build some bullish momentum. The other issue is we have this resistance up here that if we are going to push down, we probably need to come collect more buyers. We also have this this fair value gap here, but more importantly, we have this fair value gap here that coincides with a support level that could be turned into resistance. We also have this consolidation here, which usually that means, hey, like we busted through it, we tested it, broke through it. There's a lot of orders here. We could push up to this, which would be our previous day high. We have a lot of volume here, but I think we pushed down before that. So I think this would be a really good trade if we're able to get up here in this session. However, that's about 300 points away. So yeah, I don't know if that's going to happen 2 days in a row where we move 300 points, but definitely something to look out for. Right now, we are in this kind of downtrend since we've broken this. We do need to come up here and retest this area to collect more sellers. So that's what I'll be looking for, is to come up here and test more and collect more sellers. So we could just push right up here. If we are able to build above this, come down and retest this and don't break past this pre-market high, I would be comfortable taking some longs. just because of the way that I know the NASDAQ works. So that's what I'll be looking for today. Whatever actually happens. But maybe we'll find some different trades based on today's price action. But this is what I'm looking for: is a break above here, come down, retest, and then push up to here. And then potentially when we get up here or this area here, depending on how we look, we could just push right back down. So going to go ahead and label this 1 hour fair value gap. And yeah, I think we're good today. Not really anything too crazy. I've been seeing the markets pretty decently lately, so we're going to keep it nice and simple, not going to rush anything, and make sure that this express funded account is taken care of.